It's been 3 days the last time I went here.
Welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching this video, you can help me by hitting the subscribe button. Enjoy watching.
Hello guys, so it's been 3 days the last time I went here. And look, our trisam, they are growing so nice. Pak choy or pet chai, look, it have really healthy one. I have these cantaloupes, turnip cabbage. Ito yung alternative ng sayote. Ito, cantaloupe is melon. And cabbage looks like something is popping out too. And we have these Asian long beans. This Asian. Ayan. Tapos ito, may nakabukol na naman. And then yan, wala pang sign. Zucchini. And look at my okra. Okra, ayan. Nagsisitubuan sila. And here's our, look. What's this one? Nakalimutan ko na sa tagal kong hindi pumunta. Char. Eggplant. So, meron tayong isang eggplant. And there's one more growing. Our onions. Yan, malalaki na yung dahon ng onions natin. And this one, very spicy chili. This one, nakita ko na to nung nakaraan. Pero hindi siya, wala pa siyang true leaf. Ito yung true leaf na tinatawag. And another onion. So, these are my seedlings. One here. Tignan niyo yung pagbabago nila. Ang bilis. 3 days ako hindi pumunta rito. So, 3 days ko silang hindi nakita. Ayan o. Kita niyo to. Choysam to. And my sponge gourd or patola. Ayan. May true leaf na rin siya sa loob. Kaso, it doesn't look good. These ones, i-flip natin. Ay, masyadong basa. Kakadilig ko lang. So, we have this zebra tomatoes. Same with this one. Zebra din yan. These ones are chilies. This one's tomato too. Ito mga to.
If you enjoy watching this video, subscribe for more gardening updates. More videos will be posted soon in video section. Thank you for watching.